Editing Grace here. Wanted to hop in and say two things. I'm going to say so many repetitive words and phrases. For example, wow, so annoying. I'm so sorry in advance. You're going to hear the repetitive phrases and terms like at least 100 times. I know that I'm not energetic like I usually am. I was in a rush and the video was just unorganized, so I gave it my best shot. Nevertheless, I hope that y'all enjoy. And yeah, let's just hop right back into the video. Oh boy, y'all, we're really doing the thing. We're really doing it. Okay. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I know that this is probably the weirdest, not the weirdest, but the most, okay. I know that this is probably the most random way that I am coming back on this channel because it's been a minute. But I guess to explain everything a bit, we're just gonna be doing a makeup get ready with me because these are some of my favorite videos to watch. So I was like, why not and do one as I'm coming back on to YouTube. Mind y'all, I'm literally in a rush, and I apologize if you can't really see my head. I'm, still trying to work out the schematics and all that stuff, so it's been a minute, so y'all are gonna have to bear with me. To get into my first talking point is how long have I been gone for? So I have been gone from YouTube for about a year and 8 months, I believe. About a year and 8 months. By the way, sorry y'all, I'm trying my best to multitask, doing my makeup and talk at the same time, but it's gonna be hard, so bear with me. I've been gone for about a year and 8 months, so basically over a year and a half, a little over a year and a half, 7, gone for a freaking minute. I guess my second talking point will be basically, why was I gone? Really, the simplistic answer to this question is or was college, and it still is college. So mind you, when I last left YouTube, like literally a little over a year and a half ago, I was still a senior in high school. So, or I was a graduating senior when I did leave YouTube. And just transitioning as a college student it was definitely a journey, especially, being a first-time college student, first-year student is very, very, I wouldn't say difficult, but it's definitely life-changing. It's just, you have to develop a new routine and, get used to the college life a little bit, just a little bit. Not only that, college was one of the biggest reasons why I was gone, but I would say just also not knowing what content I wanted to do on YouTube. That was also another big reason of why I just didn't return as well. And in all honesty, I kind of really wasn't worried about YouTube at that time when I did leave. I was just really worried about just college and all of that and how I am basically going to do. In all honesty, that's what I was really worried about, TBH. So yeah, biggest reason why I was gone for a very, very long time, it was really, I guess 3 reasons, was college, most definitely college, because it's very, very, it's a big transition in your life. Also want to say, I just didn't really know what other videos I wanted to do on YouTube during that time as well. I don't know what the heck I was reaching for. And then yeah, that's really it. College and just really wasn't focused on YouTube anymore because I just didn't know what else to film. So third talking point is what videos to expect in this channel, or I guess in this new era of my channel. Okay, so the only videos that I can think of that I can actually do with my schedule right now is makeup get ready with me. So that's really the only content that I can promise y'all. I'm not saying that I don't have any more content ideas. I just really can't promise y'all that I'm gonna deliver it. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. It's a work in progress, you guys. It genuinely is a work in progress. I spent so much time just putting concealer on my freaking face. Like, it just does not make any sense. I guess the videos to expect for now are makeup get ready with me's and other future content that you know, I'm thinking of, but as of right now, as I'm coming back, just makeup get ready with me's in general. All right, y'all, so to answer the last, I guess, talking point that I have for this video is what will be my uploading schedule. So my uploading schedule, I know for sure it's going to be every single Monday once I freaking learn how to manage my time. In all actuality, I was actually supposed to do more in this makeup look, but because I'm so bad at time management, I literally don't have time to do another look because your girl has got to go. But you know, I know that I know that my uploading schedule will be every single Monday, depending what time that I upload. And some weeks you might get an extra video, other weeks you might not get an extra video. It really just depends. But yeah, y'all, I would say every Monday, so to speak. Every single Monday, expect a video from me, for sure. And I have this on my, I hate this so much. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay. All right, y'all, we are done with my makeup. I know, I know. I barely did anything to my face, and I was actually supposed to do more. Y'all, like I stated before, I'm literally on a time crunch, so, you know, it's better to give y'all something than to give y'all nothing. I am so sorry if this video was boring. This was not how I expected this video to go, but you know, it is what it is. If y'all did reach the end, thank you so much for watching this video. I know that I guess I was kind of all over the place. Y'all, being back on camera after being gone for over 1.5 years is kind of difficult. So y'all are gonna have to work with me. As I do more of these, it will be more polished and all that. Your girl just has to get used to being in front of a camera. I hope that y'all have an amazing day today, an amazing start to the beginning of y'all's week. And yeah, I will see you all next Monday. Bye, guys.